Welcome, in front of me is a HOMTOM HT16 and today I'll show you how to import contacts from SIM card. So to begin, you want to open up your contacts app, which is this one right here, and then as you see, tap on the three dots and you'll have the import export option. Select that, and from here copy contacts from, so choose where you want to get the contacts from, so SIM card, tap on next, copy them to, and you can have them either on your device or to your account, so that's Google account. Now if you're not logged into Google, this option will not be visible here, it will be just the phone, but choose whichever one you want. If you're logged into Google and you sync them to Google, any kind of other device that is also logged in with the same account will have those contacts appear on there as well. Now I'm gonna choose the phone itself, and let's just tap on next, and here I have a list of all the contacts that are on the SIM card. As you can see, all the contacts from the SIM card have the SIM number, so it's in a second tray because there is space for two different SIM cards. So that's the so those are all on a SIM card too, and select which ones you want. You can either select all of them, couple, and once you're satisfied you can just tap on OK. And now you should see that there is additional contacts that don't actually have the SIM card 2 mark on them. As you can see, each one of them does, and then the ones below don't actually. Now I'm not sure, I don't think those are the ones that I copied, so oh, there we go, those are the ones that I copied in the info, so those two, pretty sure, and I think something else. But you can see that's basically how you would import contacts. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.